In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT to XRP on the OKX platform. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the conversion process and manage your cryptocurrency efficiently. Begin by navigating to the OKX website. Once you arrive at the homepage, locate the sign-in button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click this button and enter your login credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps to proceed. After you have successfully logged in, look for the trade option in the main navigation menu. Hover over or click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Convert to access the conversion interface. This section allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another seamlessly. In the conversion interface, you will see two fields labeled From and To. In the From field, select USDT from the drop-down menu. Next, in the To field, select XRP as the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. After selecting the cryptocurrencies, you will need to enter the amount of USDT you want to convert. Be mindful of the amount you input, as this will impact the total XRP you receive. Once you have entered the desired amount, look for the button labeled Preview Conversion or simply Convert. Clicking this button will display the current conversion rate and any applicable fees. Review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied with the information presented, confirm the conversion to finalize the transaction. After completing the conversion, your USDT will now be converted to XRP. To verify that the transaction was successful, navigate to the Assets or Crypto Balances section of your account. Here, you will find your newly acquired XRP listed among your holdings. It's important to check this section to confirm that your assets reflect the recent conversion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.